Welcome back, guys, and today we're gonna make some pineapple shrimp. Yes, guys, some pineapple french fry shrimp. And we have some sweet pepper right here. We have some pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. We have some garlic. Yeah, we have some thyme, and we also have some scallion. Yeah, and for our dry season we have all-purpose. We have fish season, and we have some onion powder. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. Okay, we have our shrimp washed off, and we're gonna add our dry season. We add our onion powder first. Then we're gonna go in with our dry jerk season. Yeah, and we also have our all-purpose we're gonna add. And last but not least, we're gonna add our fish season. Okay, guys, so we're gonna rub everything in. Yeah, rub in that flavor. Then we're gonna season our flour to fry the shrimps. Same thing we used to season the shrimp, that's what we're gonna use to season the flour. We're gonna add some all-purpose. Yeah, we're gonna add some fish season. And last but not least, we're gonna add some baking powder. Okay, guys, we're gonna cut up our vegetables to make our sauce. Everything is chopped up. Now we're gonna blend our pineapple to make our sauce. Okay, guys, so we're gonna season the vegetables. We're gonna add some black pepper. We're gonna also add some fish seasoning. Mix all that in. Now we're gonna add the pineapple juice that we blend. We're gonna stir that in until it's thickened. We're going to add a tablespoon of brown sugar. Going to add like a tablespoon of honey to give it a more sweet, authentic flavor. The sauce is ready. Now we're gonna add our shrimp and stir it in. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. The aroma is so nice. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Look at that. And thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe and share.